Hello, good day, welcome back. It is my assessment here that I have got two things joined with solder that should not be. It's funny, as I say, these trifocals are good, but sometimes, quadfocals, you just can't get the right angle. Oh, that's better. Yeah, I'm heating up the desoldering iron right now, because I think right where am I? Right here. I think that is where the trouble spot is. And I do not want to find out by having something go kaboom. I do not. Excuse me just a second while I try. Blocking the light to get a really close look at that. So yeah, I think, see, if I look along here at all these other things, oh, is that connected? Oh, you know what? If I look along, here's this chip I've been working on. Here's this one. This is not. This is connected. And if I look over here, this is connected. And if I look over here, that's connected. And so there's pin, chip. You know what? I think I'm okay. Yeah, they're connected. Okay, I'm going to unplug the desoldering iron. So both irons are hot, but cooling. So I'm just looking around to see what else I see here. And of course, I think you can see this here, maybe. Oh yeah, that's where the power goes to those big buses there. Oh yeah, I was a little concerned about that. Maybe I should. On again, off again. Maybe I should plug that back in and see what I can do about getting that cleared out, because I certainly do want to have the power connections very secure. I do. So as I glance down here, I think this is all good. Let's see. Right now, I have my kind of tripod thing sitting close here. I've got a lamp on it. And I've got all this other stuff running over here so you can get a good look. Alright, I'm going to suck. And I'm going to plunge. And I'm going to hit, where did I put the little solder I was using? There. I'm going to touch the solder to the iron. And indeed, it is melting and smoking. So, right now, I'm going to put this right on that hole. I want that hole to open up. And it does not. See, I would like to be able, don't touch, I'm going to try something here. I'm going to use the desoldering iron like a soldering iron. I'm going to hit that, oops, with some solder. Mind you, you know what, when I get to having the iron on the other side, sorry about the hand. Oh, I forgot to do the pop. Okay, let's see here. We'll get right on there. Nice and straight, nice and hot. 1, 2, 3. Ha-ha! Excellent. Alright. So, at this moment, I think I've done all I can do here. So I gotta flip this over and reconnect the power. And then put in the chips, and hopefully it works just fine. Do I believe that? No, I don't. So here is where we have soldered the new socket. And that's where the power goes. So, thanks for being here. If you're afraid of doing this, as I am, don't do it. Unless, of course, you have no cats around, no children around, no dogs around, no anybody around. So you can take your time and just take it slow. Oh, did I not unplug the iron? I will unplug the iron. Or what have I done? I don't know what I've done. Anyway. Okay, thanks for coming. Bye for now.